In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gimp's color picker tool to effortlessly select and replicate colors from any image. Gimp, which stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a versatile and powerful tool for photo editing. And whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, mastering the color picker can significantly enhance your editing capabilities. So let's dive in and explore this feature together. First, you'll want to ensure that you have Gimp installed on your computer. If you haven't done that yet, simply head over to the official Gimp website and download the latest version. Once you've got Gimp up and running, open it and get ready to harness the power of colors. With Gimp open, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the image you want to work on. You can either drag and drop the image file into the Gimp window or click on File in the top menu, then select Open and navigate to your chosen image. Having your image open in Gimp is the first step toward unlocking its color secrets. Now that your image is open in Gimp, let's focus on the task at hand, using the Color Picker tool. You'll find this tool in the toolbox on the left side of the screen. It looks like a little pipette or an eyedropper. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. It might be nested under another tool, so simply click and hold to reveal it. Once you've found the Color Picker icon, click it to activate the tool. The Color Picker tool allows you to select and isolate a specific color from your image. By clicking on the color picker icon, you're ready to choose any color from your image that catches your eye or matches your creative vision. Simply move your cursor over to the area of the image with the desired color and click on it. Instantly, the color picker will capture the exact shade and RGB values of that spot, which you can then use for various applications like filling areas, setting that color as a foreground or background color, or even copying it into another project. If you're satisfied with the color selection, you've successfully utilized the color picker tool. It's as simple as that. The beauty of the color picker lies in its ability to provide precise color matching with just a click, making it an essential function for graphic design and photo editing projects. In just a few moments, you've learned how to navigate to the tool, make a selection, and effectively use this handy feature. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using the color picker tool in Gimp. With a bit of practice, you'll find it to be an invaluable part of your editing toolkit. Thanks for watching and enjoy your journey into the colorful world of Gimp